Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to Pine Acres RV. Taking a look at a very recent arrival, a 2013 Cedar Creek Silverback 29RE. It's a 2013 and you would never know it. I unfortunately did not have the opportunity to meet the previous owners. They just took delivery of their brand new Cedar Creek. I gotta guess that this was stored inside and not used much. This color for 2013 would typically fade with time and lose a little bit of luster and the shine. Let me show you something here. There they are, taking delivery of their new Cedar Creek. Okay, look at the shine on the front cap. Usually these colors, the sun gets to it and they get faded a little bit. This one here, very shiny. Let me show you some more. See my truck right there in the reflection? Shiny. All right, let's keep going. The stickers are looking good. The awning is super clean. In the underbelly, you can see that we have plywood floors and aluminum construction. This does have the hung wall construction from Cedar Creek and all aluminum. There's the model number. Even a little added LED light. All right, folks, let's go in. All right, as you walk in, boom, central vacuum system. Boom, major dance floor. And by the looks of that floor, it doesn't look like it's ever been used as a dance floor. Now it can be. Look at the condition. Look how clean this is. Previous owners are still here, so I assure you, we have not had a chance to clean this. So this is the way it was traded in. This is the ideal customer to have for life. They keep good care of their stuff. Love it. Hopefully we'll see them in another 10 years when they trade in their 360RL Cedar Creek. Wow, look at the carpet. Okay, I gotta get over that. 4 chairs with storage. That sofa converts into a bed. Got beautiful blinds throughout. This one here is broken. We're gonna fix it. Nice fireplace that throws out some heat on those chilly nights. We got the stereo. Again, Cedar Creek with their woodwork. Absolutely amazing. Folks, these chairs, they're still in great condition. Really hard to tell that this is a 2013. That's it. Tonight, I'm bringing beer. We're gonna have a dance party right here. Staff party. A lot of weekends coming up. Let's do it. All right, no, I showed you the fridge already. Stove. Oh yeah, looks like it's never been used. Very clean. Microwave. Check out that beautiful countertop. Look how clean that is. Love that window. You get a fantastic fan, regular fan, AC unit. Right here at the entry. Couple spots there to put your keys. There's your slide operation. Bathroom. Yeah, that's a ceramic toilet. Again, with the beautiful wood. Not the cheap stuff, folks. We got a medicine cabinet. What's that? Ah, I see. Okay. Shower, was it ever used? I'm sure it was, but look how clean it is. Wow. Look at that. Somebody's a little bit of a clean freak, and I like it. Love your style. I'm the same. All right, in the slide, we got opposing windows for great cross ventilation. Love that headboard. Another fan here in the bedroom. Your dresser. Another TV. Not huge. Still nice. This bed, by the way, looks to me like a queen, maybe a double. But I will say this. Look at the room over on that side and over on this side. Very, very roomy. So if you did want to change this out to a king size or maybe a queen size, whatever bigger size if you wanted to, you could do that. However, you might need to add some plywood on both sides. Otherwise, the mattress may hang a little bit. Completely up to you. For an extra cost, of course. There's some storage. Let's take a look in the front cap area right here. More storage. There's your closet. Place to put some shoes. Bam! You can live in this thing! We're prepped for a washer dryer. Holy crack-a-moly, Cedar Creek, Cedar Creek. I love you. Love Cedar Creeks, folks. Love customers that take care of their stuff like these customers did. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. You gotta come check this out for yourself. I hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.